Hey YouTubers, been a while since I did a video. I got one for you. Today I'm going to be replacing lug nut studs. This will show you how to replace lug nut studs on a 1991 Nissan 240SX. Pretty sure this covers basically most vehicles, so this will probably go under lug stud replacement. It's not necessarily vehicle specific, except for like press-in bearings on Hondas. You have to press the bearings out, get the hub off to replace these. Some vehicles you can just replace them just by doing the way we're going to do it. So what we'll do is I'll have this all sped up just like I normally do, and I will show you the important parts. I'll slow it down for those parts, so stay tuned.
Shut up and sit down.
Okay, so I went and I got 4 of these. Only 3 of them need replaced, but I decided to get the 4th as a just in case. These are horrible. Somebody who owned this before I used 1/2 by 20, where the lug nuts I went and bought today need to be M12 by 1.25. I got the M12 by 1.25 and the new lug nut stud. See how snug that is? When you put one of these old ones that have good threads, which none of them do, it's loose. It's really loose on these. So basically what we'll be doing is we'll be replacing, might just replace all 4 of them, but see how that one's threading on perfectly fine? We probably won't replace that one. So we'll just replace the ones that are bad. So stay tuned. Okay, so what I did was I removed the 2 bolts that hold the caliper on, and you can see back here there's the lug stud. When you hammer on this side, it'll push it through. Basically, once you put it on, you can use a lug nut to pull it through and tighten it back down, or you can lightly tap on it from this side. So I'll get started doing that and show you how I do it. Alright, that's how you do a lug stud replacement. It's pretty simple. After you get them all tightened back down, reassembled, you'll take it around the block after you tighten the lugs. I recommend getting brand new lugs so you don't take a risk of stripping them out. Make sure you get the right ones. If you have to, call the parts store. Make sure you have the right thread pitch. That's a common problem. I've over-torqued lug nuts before and not had any issues. But when you get these aftermarket ones, you have to make sure they're right. If you don't, you'll strip them out. So we'll go ahead and assemble this thing back together. Make sure to check for leaks or anything out of the ordinary while it's apart. Check your brakes, make sure they look good, and you should be good to go. So we'll assemble it and put the wheel back on.
Shut up and sit down.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to take it out for a spin, come back and check torque specs. So let's go do that real quick. It rode really good now. So we're gonna go do is check torque one more time. She's solid. Well, that's basically all you gotta do to replace lug studs. Just make sure, if you don't know how to tighten lugs down really tight by hand, that you get a torque wrench and do it the proper way. I've been tightening lug nuts for so long, working in so many shops and tire places, that I know when it's tight. You don't want to go over tight because then you can break studs, but chances of that happening are very slim. I have never broke a stud doing that, but better safe than sorry. Just get it tight. That's basically all you got to do. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. And I hope this video has helped someone.